How to get sound when iPhone is plugged in. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your iPhone. Shortcuts is a powerful tool that lets you create custom automations for your device. Once inside, tap the Automation tab at the bottom, then tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new one. Scroll down the list and tap on the Charger option. Ensure is connected is selected, then choose Run immediately and in the top right corner, tap on Next. You will now configure the action. Tap on the new blank automation as shown. Use the search bar to find and select the Set Volume action from the list of results. First, adjust the slider to your preferred volume percentage. Then, tap on the word Media and then select Ringtone. Finally, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. It will now appear in your list and run automatically whenever your iPhone is connected to power. Following these steps, you can easily get sound when iPhone is plugged in.